Stimulate your brain. Study the following arrangement of numbers, letters, and symbols to answer the question given below. 1 A2 at B3 number $4C5D and M90% EF. Which of the following is exactly in the middle between 2 and 9 in the above arrangement? A. 4B, CC, MD, $. We can safely ignore the numbers, letters etc. which are not in between 2 and 9. In between 2 and 9 there are 11 letters, symbols, numbers. To the right of $, there are 5 letters, symbols etc. and to its left also there are 5 letters, numbers etc. Hence $, is exactly in between 2 and 9. Data 1, Ram's house is 1 kilometer away from Shyam's house. Data 2, Ram's house is 1 kilometer away from Geeta's house. Question: how far away is Shyam's house from Geeta's house? Is the data given sufficient to answer the question? A. Only data 1 is sufficient. B. Only data 2 is sufficient. C. Both data 1 and 2 are needed. D. Data insufficient. Is Ram's house to the right of Shyam's house? Is it to the left? What about Geeta's house? Is it to the west of Ram's house? East. Shyam's and Geeta's house could be anywhere in a radius of 2 km from Ram's house. We cannot find the distance between Shyam's house and Geeta's house. How many pairs of successive numbers have a difference of 3 each in the following? 3 5 8 1 6 9 2 3 7 1 3 4 7 2. We need to try each and every pair. 3 and 5 is 2, 5 and 8 is 3, 8 and 1 is 7. We have 3 pairs: 5, 8 and 6, 9 and 4, 7. Pointing to a photograph, Geeta said, "I have no brother or sister, but that lady's mother is my mother's daughter." Whose photograph was it? Option A. Geeta's. Option B. Geeta's daughter's. Option C. Geeta's mother's. Option D. Geeta's niece's. Option F. Geeta's uncle's. Since Geeta has no brother or sister, when she says, "my mother's daughter," means Geeta herself. That lady's mother is Geeta. Hence that lady is Geeta's daughter. A series of letters are given that follow a certain pattern. Some letters are missing from the series. Choose the alternative that would complete the pattern. BA-CB-A-BAA-. Option A is CBB, option B AACC, option C BCAA, option D CABB. We find B as the first letter, 5th letter, 9th letter. There is a pattern. We won't find B in the answer. In option B there is no B. Let us confirm. We find A as the 2nd letter, 7th letter, 10th and 11th letters. Since there are 2 A's, it is quite possible that the 3rd letter, 6th letter are A's. Again it points to B as the answer. We want to hear from you. Do subscribe.